Hello there, and today I thought we'd have a look at the BlackBerry 7100V. Here it is. Let us take the back off. Show you the particulars. And then I'll pop the SIM card in and the battery because it takes a while to boot up. So while it's booting up, I can show you how the phone looks. Let's get the SIM card in. Push him in there. Battery, a good working battery. Plonk him in there and then the light will come on and it'll start coming on, but it takes ages to boot up. So while it's booting up, guys, we're going to have a look at the actual phone. It's the back of it. It is pretty scratched up like. The speaker grill is quite nice design. The front of it. Obviously you had the notification light, the mics here, speakers here, whatever they are, the buttons, obviously it's on Vodafone. Close look at the buttons. Yeah. Look at the side. On the other side. The charging port and the headphone jack. The power button on the top. Oh, there we are. Right guys, it's coming on now. Now it says no service. So we'll get one of these phones, guys, but haven't got no service. Let me just show you with the settings how to get it to work. You can scroll down to mass here in the right hand corner. Push him in. And it says searching for network. Now look, unless you do that, it's not going to work. So we'll get one of these but don't work. Remember, go on there and just tap that button there, push the wheel in, and then it'll start to find service, providing you've got a registered SIM card. You know, all up and running. Just have a look at how the menu looks. Start from the top. We have calculator, call logs, tasks, applications, profile load, settings. That's the wireless off and on. That's what you need to do when it's got no service. Break a game, and that's the password keeper. Right then, let's have a look at with go back to right, so we need. And let's check out the ringtones. Go down to phone. Then you want to edit. And then you go to tones, click on that. Change options, click on that. And there you are. For my ringtones. Right, so let's go for the ringtones then, guys. That's the top one. I think I'll have that one with my ringtones. Click on that. Train. Save. I should be done now with the ringtones. Right then, there you are, guys. That is the BlackBerry 7100V. Just ring him now, as usual. Let's give him a little ringer. Bring him a bit closer. You can see him ring. Should ring now. as I always say, SIM card is just for testing purposes. And there you are, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be much appreciated. And I'll be back again, people, with another video soon, and bye!